Exhaust is the most important component of every internal combustion engine. With modern technology in place, especially with BS6 Phase 2, engines are getting more complicated and the fueling of every motorcycle depends on the exhaust gas getting released out of the motorcycle. Any leak in the exhaust system can cause a drop in fuel efficiency and power. In this video, let's see how to fix your muffler gasket leak and fix your exhaust system like a brand new one. Before fixing the gasket leak, let's hear out the exhaust note. Now, in order to remove the muffler gasket, we'll start by removing the first bolt which is connecting the muffler to the bent pipe. Now, let's also remove the bolt which is holding the entire muffler onto the bike. Collect the washer and the lock nut which is held behind. Now, slowly wiggle and remove the entire bolt along with the washer out of the motorcycle. Now, slowly wiggling it to side, pull the muffler out of the motorcycle. You can see a glimpse of the damaged gasket that is there on the muffler itself. Next step is to remove this entire gasket which is held onto the muffler. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to make some space and remove the gasket which is pretty much stuck onto the muffler itself. Once enough gap is created between the gasket and the muffler opening, you can slowly take out the old gasket out of the muffler. You can see the condition of this old gasket which is causing a leak in the exhaust system. Now, before replacing it with the new one, let's clean the surface and prep it for the installation. This type of scaling is pretty normal, and if you have a heavier one, try to remove as much as gasket material possible using an alcohol wipe or a sandpaper. And this is the brand new muffler gasket which I purchased from Bajaj, and you can see the part number and the costing for the same in the box itself. Now, comparing the new gasket with the old one, you can pretty much see the condition over here, and no wonder the exhaust was leaking. Now, installing this new gasket is pretty easy. Just align it and install it to the very end of the muffler. Once the new gasket is in place, let's move on to installing this entire muffler back onto the motorcycle. Making sure that you don't move the muffler too much, align the gasket to the bent pipe and install it as shown. Make sure that you also align the muffler's mounting bolt and avoid rotating the entire muffler unit once the gasket is in place. Once the bent pipe and the muffler is properly connected, install the mounting bolt with its washer. Now install the other washer and hand tighten the lock nut. Now, holding the lock nut with a 17 mm ring spanner, tighten the mounting bolt as shown. I'm using an impact wrench here. You can also use a socket and a ratchet or a ring spanner for the same. Now finally, tighten the clamp bolt which connects the muffler to the bent pipe. And that's how you completely remove your old gasket and install a brand new muffler gasket onto your motorcycle. This one might be an easy one, but this can cause a major difference on the way motorcycle performs. Now let's hear onto the exhaust note. I hope this video was informative enough, and if you people like this video, please do consider subscribing to Archeonics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.